Hello everyone, you are watching and listening to Loanso. In this session, I would like to show you how to program exams action through the PC software. Now let's open our PC software and use the USB cable to connect them. Generally speaking, we can program exams action through changing the value of the servo by dragging the slider and click the Add button. So now let me give you an example of it. You can see how it runs. And we can save this action group as graphing. And save it. And then if you want to download this action group to the controller, we can name this action group number 1 and click download button. And there is one point I would like to mention. In the last year's episode, we have already downloaded the number 10 to number 18 and the number 21 action group to the controller. The new action group that we designed should not be the same as the number that we set before. So please remember of it. However, there is another way to design exams action. Now let me show you. When you change the exams condition to motor off, you can move the servo with your hand and then record the action data by clicking read angle. You can see just like this. Now let's see how it runs. Very easy and funny to control, right? You can also try by yourself. And please do not forget to save this action file, and we can name it turn left and save this action group. And if we want to download this action group to the controller, we can name it number 2 action group and click download button. Okay, so finish. So if we want to call these two action group, how can we achieve this? If you want to call the number 1 action group, you can choose the number 1 action and click run action button. You can see that's how it works. And if I want to call the number 2 action, which I just made before, you can choose number 2 action group and click run button. Very easy to operate, right? So that's how we called the action group that we programmed before, because all of these have already downloaded to the controller. So if you still have any question, please feel free to contact us. See you there.